How's it going, everybody? It's Freddie with Infinite Tech Services here at another installation. Today we're installing the Meural, the digital picture frame, and what we're going to be doing today is getting this hidden across the wall. That way it actually looks like a mural or a picture frame. As you can see, I'm all masked up and we have booties on, so we always make sure we're always safe in customers' homes. Make sure they feel safe as well for our protection and their protection. But yeah, so let's get right to it. Yeah, I don't know where the hell mine went. HDMI. So we're just going to make this look a lot better and up to code, where it's not. It's actually it works for this plug, because you can see this plug's a little bulky, but we can work around that. Gotta be careful here. Ooh, buddy. They put screws in right into the box, plastic box inside, where there's power. You know what I mean? Oh. You can see we have a live circuit here. So if that were to touch that, then that would shock you. Well, not necessarily, but still not good. Holy shit, that scared the hell out of me. Hello. And that one. So it's always good to turn off the breaker, because as you can see, this is a live circuit right here. So we're gonna go turn off the breaker and we'll be back. This looks like it's, hopefully it works. Might have to, this one will work. This one will work.
Is it gonna be too deep?
But then we have this thing.
Oh, that's the HDMI.
Yeah. Do you need this?
No.
Because we can take that out and just coil it right there and leave it in the future if you ever do need it. So we're going to be using the indoor in-box recessed electrical box from Arlington. So I guess this is a recessed box. Let's see how deep it goes. Doesn't look like it goes deep. Gary said it did. Oh, there it goes. Goes in pretty deep, about an inch and a half, a little less than an inch and a half. So, we're using that. Cable's coming in from the bottom.
Is the hole too big?
That's what she said?
Huh?
Is the hole too big?
Damn.
Damn, it is. Shit.
It's really short. And the thing is, the box is going deeper.
That's what she said. Michael.
I mean, I can make it work, but I do have to cut more sheetrock down.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So long.
I know, right? It's got network?
Hit top left.
No, it's gotta be like that.
Either way.
Sick.
So watch this.
Oh! Perfect. Got 7.5 and 7.5 on each side, Gary. We didn't break it. Alright. Dude, that's so cool.
So when I go like this, it tells you the information about it. And then this scrolls through the pictures.
Okay.
It's Aiden.
Dude, did you take those pictures?
Yeah.
The school one?
Yeah.
Why does that look so creepy?
Oh, it was supposed to be, what was the Pioneer Day?
Oh, dude, it looks scary. These pictures, nice.
So, and then, if I want to browse the menu, I've got some art. So this is like sample art that goes with it. Just kind of wave. It's kind of finicky, but if you just go like this there's a sensor right here.
This is sick.
And then close menus to the left. Okay, see.
So, information.
And left and right. Close menus to the left.
You just want to go click on that.
Yeah, I know.
That one's so fucking cool. Look at that picture.
It looks like a full printing, right?
But no, I've never seen this picture. Water? New York for sure, huh? But it
You're
looks
going a
this
little
shit.
slower like this.
I
You
see.
get a little more intentional to it, yeah. Then, so now that that's loaded, if I go to change playlist and album menu, it's the information. That's, I can go,
see,
okay, there it goes, browse. We want to go browse. And we go to, these are the ones I downloaded. So if we go here.
So we wrapped up the installation for the Meural digital picture frame. For this installation, we had a plug behind this wall, so we were able to hide the wire behind the wall and route it to the plug. Also, if you have a plug here at the bottom of the wall, we can tap into this. Even if you don't have one there, we can still get power to the frame. If you're interested in these types of installations and you're in the Bay Area, definitely look us up under infinitechservices.com, Yelp, Facebook, Instagram, all the social media platforms. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.